Hey y'all, this is JD with Primal Pursuit. Here today showing you the target medic, giving a demo. Hopefully you're here from our QR code, you're repairing your target. If you're here just to learn how to repair a target, awesome. It will do any foam target. We're gonna be showing it on this Coyote core. All the tools you see on this table is what we're gonna be using. A lot of it's household items. The stuff that isn't, we'll be sending with you. Let's get into it. First step, what comes in the kit? You got part one, part two, some latex gloves, mixing whip, and then a tongue depressor. Part one is also your mixing container. Then some tools that we recommend. A drill for your whip. Some pliers make it easy to rip some foam out. A really good sharp knife is a great idea. I like to use a razor blade. Something to mark your target with. Measuring tape, something to keep some time with. Your foam works great. Duct tape helps to keep the saran wrap down. Saran wrap to help contain the foam. Some painter's paper to keep your work safe. Safety glasses are definitely recommended. Step two, we're gonna get this target prepped and ready. First things first, safety is key. Make sure you have your safety glasses on hand. Make sure you wear our gloves. Have your area prepped, put that painter's tape down. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a 5-inch hole, measure it out, mark it down both sides, all the way through. We're gonna do cone shapes. Best way to figure out your volume is open up your browser, volume of this shape. Does 150 cubic inches. So our 5-inch holes, both sides, slightly tapered, 9 inches thick. We're gonna be golden. Let's get into it. Just got this all cleaned up. We're gonna move to step three, get this all wrapped up in plastic wrap tight, get it ready for foam. Just got it wrapped up tight. The tighter you get it, the more you'll be able to follow the contours of the whatever you are repairing. We're gonna get into step four, cut a slit for a fill hole and get this area cleaned up. Got our area cleaned up, got our target prepped. Before we get into step four, remember, wear the gloves that we provided, have your safety glasses on. Another reminder, have a timer ready. Shake part two vigorously, shake for about a minute. Let's get into step four. After shaking part two, make sure your whip is in your drill ready. Dump part two into part one. Use the tongue depressor to clean out the bottle. Mix the contents for 45 seconds to 1 minute. Dump it into your fill hole. Once you've dumped the contents into your fill hole, put another piece of saran wrap over it just to kind of seal it in. Wait 24 hours before you can shoot it. The contents maybe get warm. It will start expanding between 2 minutes to 2 minutes 30 seconds. Do not shoot it before that 24 hours. Now that we've waited 24 hours, we're gonna trim up the duct tape and plastic wrap off of this core. We're gonna trim up the target. We've overfilled it a little. It's okay to overfill, better to overfill than underfill. It'll trim up really easy on that fill hole. The overfill goes on top of the saran wrap. Let's get into it. Just got the plastic wrap and tape off. We got the fill hole area trimmed up. Things are looking great. It's ready to be shot. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for watching.